Congratulations! Your solar system is officially live. The utility gave the green light and you are now making your very own clean power. This means that those panels are doing the heavy lifting, lowering your dependence on the grid and making a real impact. For all things solar, make sure to download your monitoring app, whether that be Tesla, QCell, or SolarEdge. This is your command center to watch your production in real time right at your fingertips. Start by downloading the My SolarEdge app. This is going to be your all-in-one hub for real-time solar monitoring. And if you don't have a login for the app, don't worry. You can contact your installer for further instructions or reach out to SolarEdge directly. Track your daily solar production and see exactly where your energy is going, from your EV to your home appliances. You can even check the performance on each individual solar panel. Compare your production against consumption to maximize self-sufficiency easily. And manage your smart devices. You can do this by scheduling them to run on excess solar power. Adjust your battery backup reserve so you're always prepared for an unexpected outage and track your environmental impact over time. Download the Q Command Home app on your device, but first make sure that it's Home and not the Pro version. Open the app and create your account by entering in your email address. You'll receive an 8-digit verification code within that email. Enter that in to continue account creation. Next, fill in your details, including the site ID and activation code within that first welcome email. Now, you're in. On the dashboard, view your solar production and storage at a glance. In the Products tab, monitor and manage your system hardware anytime. Use the Energy tab to analyze solar tracking, grid exports, and energy and appliance usage. Finally, visit My Page for all things settings. Manage your account, the app, and Wi-Fi connection. You can view the frequently asked questions, as well as submit a ticket and inquiries if you have any further questions regarding your account. Start by downloading the official Tesla app. Open and tap Create Account, where you will be prompted to fill out your name, email, and a secure password. You are officially logged in. Track your system live by using the Energy tab to monitor production, consumption, and Powerwall levels. Head over to Settings to customize backup reserve and access documents for easy review of your agreement. Click the profile icon to make it your own. Review inbox updates, earn rewards via referrals, or browse the Tesla shop for merch and accessories. Congratulations on your solar investment. Our mission is to ensure that your ownership experience is exceptional from day one. Through it all, LightSkye remains your primary contact for all things solar, no matter the question: navigating your agreement, system mastery, performance and warranty, or referrals. We are always here for you. We would love to hear about your solar journey. If our team hit the mark for you, let us know with a Google review. This helps our team know that they're doing things the right way. Also, do not forget about our referral program. If you refer someone and they go solar with us, we will send you a referral bonus as a thank you. Congratulations again on your solar journey, and thank you for trusting us with your home and energy needs. We can't wait to see how bright the future gets now that you've joined us. Welcome to the LightSkye family.